Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add more videos to your courses on YouTube. So once you're on YouTube, click on content, then click on courses at the top there, and then you want to click on the details, which is a pencil icon here to open the course. You will be able to see the details of the course, and you can click on videos from here. Alternatively, if you're on the section where the courses are, you can click on the videos and it's going to take you right into the videos as well. Now to add more videos, look to the upper right, click on where it says add videos, and here you can upload a new video. So if you want to upload a new video, you click on that and start upload a new video to the course. So this is basically uploading a video like you're uploading a video to your channel, which is going to be added to your channel anyways, but you can add the courses right, you can add the video right into the course. Now, if you have other videos on your channel, click the drop down and choose from existing videos. From here, you can go ahead and start typing whatever you want. So I'm going to simple type in Canva again, and I'm going to go ahead and just start adding all other videos that are, let's say, not a part of the course, so that I can start adding these videos to the course. So as you can see, I'm going through and adding videos. You can actually do the same by adding more and more and more videos to your course. So let me just go ahead and add in all of these videos to my course. And as you can see, it is now. So once I'm finished, I'm going to click on done, and you'll see that all of those videos are added to my course. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.